buy 2 cars. Okay, do you have a license? Yes, we do.
Then what is it?
Here you go. Okay, we have 2 cars available. First is this one, and they're the same. Okay, now let me show you one of them.
So move out the way.
Okay.
Oh, bro, move.
Wait.
Girl.
Behind me. Every Christmas, every payday, everyone to see you. Okay, so this is where you sit to drive. Very nice seats. Then you have a very giant and spaceful truck. And giant wheels. And a license plate. And a back. And more wheels. I'm trying to drive away. Okay, we'll take them. Both of them?
I said we need 2 cars, so yes.
I'll take them. I'm gonna get out of here. Yeah. Next, let's go. Oh my god, bro. Get in. You're such a big back. Yas. Bro, you cannot be hanging out of the car like that while you're driving. So get in! 2 big backs driving the same cars. Wow. And go! And go! And go! Another big back has encountered. Here's another big back. But you're the biggest big back right now. Because you be being so fat, bro. Oh my god! Spinning big back. It is a spinning big back. 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 Spinning big back.